Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to pay with Google Pay on iPhone. So first thing first, download the Google Pay app from your App Store. So once you've downloaded apps, all you have to do is simply set it up. So all you have to do is simply set up your account, use your email address, okay, and then set it up. And then once you're on your account here, so what you're going to do, you're going to link your account. So click on your profile here on your top right, and then what we're going to do, you're going to hit on this set up payment, and then you're going to choose a payment method and then add your bank, whatever that you want to add it to or make the transactions with on Google Pay. So once you have done that part is done. So to make a payment, it's pretty easy. So all you have to do is simply hit on this. So if when you make a payment, so you simply need to hit on this QR code and then scan the QR code from any retailers or merchants. So scan that, and then all you have to do, once you've scanned, you just need to plug in your password, and then since you've already linked your bank account, then that's it, payment will be processed through your GPay. Or else you can also pay by a phone number. So if you hit on phone number and then just type in the phone number of whom you want to pay the payment to, and then type that in and then hit on proceed, and again the same thing, once you verify it, payment will be processed through your GPay. And also apart from this, you can also pay by your UPI ID or number. So if you hit on this, you can just type in the UPI ID or the number of that receiver and then just type that in, hit on continue, and that's it. You can just need to verify your account with your password, and then that's it, your amount will be paid. So these are the ways how you can pay on Google Pay on your iPhone. So apart from this, you can also provide your UPI ID. If you click on your UPI ID here, so this is your UPI ID, so you can use this ID, and when you make any online transactions, you can simply select your UPI option and then select Google Pay, which will then launch your app here, and then from here you can just simply make your payments through Google Pay. Or also you can also copy and paste this UPI ID on when you make any online payments, and that will take you to your GPay where you can just process the payment. And that's pretty much it is. So hope this information was helpful to you all. I'll see you all in another video. Thank you.